This video will highlight all the key features you need to know about the Autel MaxiCOM MK808S, one of the most versatile and professional diagnostic scanners in 2025. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this scanner in the description below for the latest price. The Autel MaxiCOM MK808S is the newest upgrade in Autel's lineup, and it has quickly made a name for itself among mechanics, technicians, and serious DIY car enthusiasts. Its biggest highlight is the 2025 Bidirectional control, which allows you to perform active tests and command components in real time. Whether it's rolling down windows, cycling wipers, or checking the fuel pump, this tool lets you test actuators directly to confirm what's working and what isn't, saving both time and money compared to guesswork or unnecessary part replacements. Another strong feature is the wide coverage of reset and service functions, more than 28 in total. That includes oil reset, injector coating, ABS bleeding, SAS calibration, and even battery registration. This versatility is especially valuable for users who handle multiple vehicles, since the MK808S supports over 150 car brands globally. With continuous updates rolling out, it remains relevant for both older cars and the latest models being released in 2024 and 2025. The tool also delivers full system diagnostics with factory-level accuracy. You can read and clear codes, retrieve ECU information, view live data in 5 modes, and run special functions across all available modules in the vehicle. This means you're not just limited to engine diagnostics, you get detailed access to transmission, ABS, airbags, and more. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi printing, you can easily generate professional reports for customers or for your own records, making it practical for both shop use and independent technicians. Efficiency is another area where the MK808S stands out. Its AutoVIN technology identifies the make, model, and year of a vehicle in a single click, while the AutoScan function quickly checks all ECUs for errors. This dramatically reduces the time spent on manual checks and helps you zero in on issues faster, which is a real benefit in busy repair environments. Powered by Android 11 and featuring a bright 7-inch touchscreen, the interface is smooth, responsive, and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Of course, no product is perfect, and it's worth pointing out a few limitations. While the MK808S is cost-effective compared to premium models, some advanced dealer-specific functions may still be locked behind higher-end scanners. After the first year of free updates, future updates come at an additional cost, although the device continues to function fully offline. For most users, though, the balance between affordability and professional-grade capability makes it an excellent value.